days' time, and then we'll do this again. Oh,
Off you come.
that was a bit nasty. Pulled her off.
I think
Let
so.
go. Let go.
Did you press that button down?
Oh, they're lovely.
No, I wouldn't jump on that. Not a good idea. Come on. Come on.
Your stomach.
We've been playing football all
You
morning.
make funnier noises than the cat.
So who works at the airport?
Me.
Yeah.
Oh, I used to work at Heathrow. You do shifts then?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to do shifts.
Move your head.
It's quite handy though, because you can move your days off around and things, can't you?
Yeah, I just booked for today off.
Mm.
I was meant to start my shift today. I've been off for 3 days.